Hello everyone, this is another unboxing video of cheap action camera. It's a camera from a company called Electra, and it's the model number is dv6000. This is also under $40-50 camera. I had done a previous another unboxing that was same price, but that was 720p. This one is HD 1080p with 30 frames per second action camera, but this video is more about unboxing and checking out what kind of accessories comes with this box as well, and a little bit about the camera. So the camera is 12 megapixel and it is the HD quality. That's what they say in the box. I haven't checked it yet or tested it yet. It has it takes both still images and video recording. It has a 2-inch LCD screen on the back as well, and yeah, and it also comes with this housing that's waterproof in under 30 meter, and it's a 135 degree wide angle lens. So let's unbox this camera and check what's inside. So just to here first, and we have another one that's here. Yeah, that's so that's the inside of the box, and if you see, we have a camera and these accessories. So let's check one by one. Take out the camera. So that's the main camera, and it's closed inside this plastic housing, so it's waterproof as well. On the box it says the camera is waterproof, but it's not the camera, it's actually it says water resistant. It's actually the housing makes it water resistant. Besides that, never use it directly in the water. The charging cable and the connector, the accessories for you can use this with the selfie stick or the normal tripod or things. This is also you can use like in this one, so it gives you a firm grip. So it's yeah, and another also like housing tool and the manuals as well. So that's the main items that comes in this box, and I can also show you. Okay, to open this housing, you can see there's a play button there, and you push this towards the left. There's this, and then you push up, push left, push up, and then this thing comes out. Just remove the window or open the window and just give it a push like that, and that's the camera. So it's a very nice small camera, has different kinds of buttons and different ports. So that's the unboxing of this Electra dv6000 action camera, and in my next video I will check review some of the buttons on this and the functions, how to use this camera, and probably I'll do another one to test the camera as well. So that's all for now, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the like button and leave a comment. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.